Hello, everyone. My name is David Nguyen, and I'm one of the folks here at Sonix. Today, we're going to show you how to automate your workflow with Sonix by using Zapier. We're going to make a Zap that watches a folder in your Dropbox account, and when you upload an audio or video file to that folder, we'll have Sonix automatically transcribe that file for you. It's super easy, and it should only take a few minutes. So, first you want to do is click on Make a New Zap button, or Make a Zap. Same thing. And you're going to be taken to this page. Looks confusing, but it's actually not. There are two parts to a Zap. The first part is the trigger, and the second is an action. So in this instance, Dropbox is going to be our trigger because we're going to watch a folder on Dropbox. And every single time a file is placed in that folder, that triggers an action, which is we're going to transcribe the file by Sonix. So you're going to first set up the trigger. So you're going to search for Dropbox. Obviously, I know it's right here, but we're just going to go through the search box. And you're going to choose New File and Folder. Click that, save and continue. Now you're going to have to link your Dropbox account to Zapier. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Connect an Account. And you're going to log in to Dropbox. Click sign in, get the authorization, and it should look something like this. My information is a little blurred out right now. So you click test just to make sure everything works. It does. And then you click save and continue. Now you have to choose a folder that you're going to watch. Please do not choose the root folder. That's not a good idea. So I just created a folder that's called Sonix Uploaded Audio. Include file contents, yes. If you don't see your folder in there, especially if you just created it once seeing this page, please click refresh fields and it will appear in that dropdown. Now click continue. And what it's going to do is it's going to look inside of that file, or excuse me, inside that folder for a file. In this case, it found file A, which is entitled Pete Combs Recording Tips. And there's all this metadata that's attached to it. This looks good because this file is in that folder. And then you're going to click continue. Cool. So you have the trigger, a new file in a folder in Dropbox. So the action is going to be under Sonix. So you want to search for Sonix. Looks something like this. And what we want to do is transcribe a file. So click save and continue. And now we have to connect our Sonix account to Zapier. So you want to click connect an account. So what we need from you is an API key. If you click on Sonix preferences, it's going to open up the preferences page within Sonix. On that page, you'll see an API key. Copy that, paste it here, click yes and continue. It should look something like this. Click test just to make sure everything works. Success. So now click save and continue. Cool. Each Zap has a few extra settings that you need to configure. One of them is language. What language are all the audio files in that folder going to be? So there is an edge case here, which is if you have both English files and say Spanish files that you are uploading, you need to actually make two Zaps, one for all the English files and one for all the Spanish files. And just to make life easier, you should put them in separate folders. So for our file, Pete Combs Recording Tips, it was actually spoken in English with an American accent. So you want to click on that. File URL. So now you have to go through the metadata of that file. And what you want to do for file URL is the direct media link. That looks like this. It's a pretty long file name, but it's encoded by Dropbox. So that's what you want to click. It's going to look something crazy like that. And then finally, the name. This is how you want the transcript to show up once it's fully uploaded and transcribed in Sonix. So usually you would select this, choose the file name, and then you could say uploaded via API or via Zapier. That's just a good way so that you know which files were automatically uploaded through Zapier and which files were manually uploaded by you through our uploading system. And then you click continue. And then you have an option right here to run a test with Sonix, basically transcribe the file that it found in that folder that you created. So you can click that, it'll send the test to Sonix, it'll send that file to us, and we'll automatically transcribe it. But we'll skip that test for now. Then you click finish, and we're not quite done yet. What you need to do is name your Zap. So in this case, it would be upload to Dropbox, then transcribe with Sonix. There's sometimes a folder that you could put it into to stay organized. And then you need to turn on your Zap. Here we go. But that's it. It was super simple. Now you can upload any file you want into that folder and have it be transcribed by Sonix. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at wecare@sonix.ai. All right. See you guys.